What's up, fam? I told y'all we'd be doing something big, live streams. I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If it's your first time, be sure to subscribe, tap the bell. How's everyone doing tonight? Stock market opens up in like 9 hours. Pre-market hours, 9 hours away, right, fam? So we got a lot to talk about. Gonna do this weekly so we can discuss all the stocks each week that are good. The ones that I'm going to be looking at the most each week. That is the goal. What's up, boys? What's up? Hey, we're going to be looking at some good stocks tonight. We're going to do a 30-minute live every Sunday. Every Sunday. Because we're going to look at stocks that, in my opinion, are going to be good for that week. Yeah, it's doing pretty good. Rivian's doing good. Rivian's doing really good. I think it's going to go back up. But I told you guys it would settle in, did I not? Look at this. It went a little lower than I thought it would. Significantly lower. It did reject off this level, came back down. Let me show you. Let you guys see it. You see? Kind of came down. But it's leveled off in the $13 range, you know? What's up, Chris? What's up, Sean? Remember, like I said, anybody who watches these videos, if you guys love the strategies and you're looking to improve your wealth, financial freedom, and you guys want a coach, I offer one-on-one coaching, full training course, full Discord. You guys can sign up, investwithcorey.com. We're going to talk about a lot of different stocks today. We got a lot to cover in 30 minutes, and so we're going to start off with some unusual suspects. So this is what I'm going to be talking about first today, Snowflake. I'm starting to turn slightly bullish on Snowflake, all right? However, I'm not exactly sure now is the perfect time just yet. We got a daily wedge that we're filling here, you see? So what's going to happen is Snowflake's going to come up, going to come back down, come up, come back down, and maybe break out of this. I'm waiting for a breakout. The price target right now, for me, so right now you can see that the price would have to be above 142, 134. My price target is like in here. So as soon as Snowflake breaks like 140, I'm in. Maybe a little sooner. I'm just waiting to make sure this wedge isn't a knife and it doesn't drop, you know? Hades, yes, I would dollar cost average. I would add shares now, for sure. SoFi entry is good already. 650 is amazing. Appreciate that, Michael. If you guys enjoy, like I just said a minute ago, if you guys enjoy the way I do things, the way I coach, the way I teach, and you guys want to sign up for my Discord training course, one-on-one coaching, you guys can do so at any time. investwithcorey.com. I have a few slots left in my masterclass bootcamp as well. Snowflake is pretty good. I'm just waiting. I don't know why it keeps drawing like that. Excessive drawing. Excessive drawing. But I'm waiting for a little bit of a pullback to get in. I would like to either wait for it to break through here or a nice pullback to get in, but I'm fearful of the knife edge drop, but it's unlikely. It really is. I think that it's a steal at 125. Right now at 135, it's still pretty good. But, you know, look at this. It's a good buy where it's at right now. I mean, anything below 130 is a steal in my opinion. Look at this gap fill up here. And it's going to run along here for earnings. So really, if I can buy Snowflake this week for 130, if it drops a couple of bucks, I'll add Snowflake. Not sure what you mean, CH. The next stock I want to talk about for this week that's hot, Affirm. I am a firm believer in Affirm. Yeah, I did that. I don't know why I did that, but I had to. You know, it was just there for the taking. But in any case, Affirm moves a lot. They had some good news a few weeks ago. Which one was it? Goldman Sachs gave them a $42 price target, okay? Let me show you where $42 is. Up here. So let me break this down for you. Affirm this week and next week and the week after is going to go up. All right? I am adding $10,000 of Affirm like Monday morning. Because this is what's likely to happen. All right? Goldman Sachs upgraded it from 21 to 42. So where is 5 out of 17 analysts are a buy, 9 hold, 3 have sell. So it's really hold and buy. The median average is 39. So there's a very big upside to Affirm. Caterpillar, Johan? We can look at Caterpillar. Tommy, what's up? So I would say that Affirm is a good buy at $30. This is a stock I would look at this week. I really would consider looking at this stock this week, keeping your eye on it, because at $29, it's an absolute steal. I don't think it's going to drop to 29 or 28, but stranger things have happened. You guys can see right there on the daily chart. Let's take a look at the daily chart. It hasn't been below $28 since November of 23. So we're starting to get closer to a year almost, like 7-8 months now. It's doing very well. It's got a lot of support at 28. The only issue is there is a lot of support at 24 and 25, and there's a lot more support at 15 to 20. But with the ratings from Goldman Sachs, I don't see this stock going down at all. Dollar Tree, Chris, I'll look at that. PayPal is pretty good. Jose, you shouldn't have bought at $15. I always tell everyone, do not chase. No FOMO. When a stock price goes from $10 to 16, you don't buy at 16. Yes, absolutely. Rivian will go up. Affirm's another big one right here. Affirm is big. Firmly believe in Affirm, like I said already. The next one, Lyft. Look at Lyft recovering. Just like I told you, fam. Lyft's back up over $14. Fair value is 20. Like, Affirm is going to, Lyft is going to be like up here in the next 2 to 3 weeks. So add you some Lyft. Lyft, Affirm, Snowflake on the radar this week. Nike, stay away from it for right now. SoFi is always a buy at $6. American Airlines is turned really bad lately. It was good, turned bad. Now we're kind of waiting for recovery and for them to settle things out with the unions. And they're cut to 13 from 18, from 213 from 18, outperform rating. Very bad. This is very bad for anyone who holds it. Like, I definitely did not see this happening to American Airlines. We have to wait for a recovery here. No Chewy. I don't have any Chewy. Chewy's okay if you got in previously. If you haven't got into Chewy yet, I don't know. I wouldn't do it now. Oh, honest thoughts on what, Dan? What's up, Dan? What's up, Daniel? Bad thoughts. Bematic, text play, CH, Gilda. What's up? Jose, Chris, Fairchild. Hope you guys are all doing well. Emerson, Rick. SoundHound, yes. Always a buy on SoundHound. Same with Palantir. But this week, the stocks to look out for: Lyft, Affirm, Snowflake, Rivian, Starbucks, Shopify, Wayfair. Wayfair has hit a bottom of $49 to $50. So what's going to happen? Wayfair is going to come up on Monday and Tuesday, bounce off this, come down, and then by the end of the week, it's going to do something like this for earnings. Either way, Wayfair is going to go to $65 for earnings. Mark my words, 60 to 65. Getting in now, it's like a 20% return, basically. Awesome, CH. HNST. Yeah, I'm not too familiar, but I'll take a look. What's up, Don? For me, I determine selling a stock based on not getting greedy. If I got a 20% return on shares and it looks like it's losing steam, I get out. I don't care. I don't look back. Like, if Wayfair, I buy Wayfair at $52 and it goes up, comes down, goes back up, and it peaks 61, 62, 63, and it levels out, I'll sell it out. I'll buy, you know, I don't know, 300, 400 shares, whatever, of, I'll put 20 grand in a Wayfair, and then it jumps up to 61. I just made like 5 grand in a week. I'm cool with that. Yes. Absolutely. What's up, Jay? Chels, what's up? RG was good. Oh, Jay. Dope. That sucks. That sucks, Jay. Oh, been there and done that. If you guys are just jumping in and you guys are looking to improve your portfolio and you like the way I teach and you're looking at having me as your one-on-one coach, or you guys want to jump into my training course, you guys can do so at any time at investwithcorey.com. I'd love to have you, and I'd love to be able to help you guys grow your portfolio. Just figure out, put that out there every now and again if you guys are looking at doing that. And I'm sure I've got a lot of my students in the chat right now that'll vouch for me. I'm answering questions pretty much throughout the night, all the time. Yeah, I definitely am going to be adding. I'm also going to show you Starbucks. That's another one. Let me go ahead and pull up Starbucks. Another one that I'm very bullish on in the coming weeks. Move this bad boy over. Time to do so anyway. There we go. Starbucks is starting to fall because all the people sold out of the dividends. It's going to fall a bit. It's got a lot of gap to fill. It's filled half of it. But I think the support for Starbucks is right around here. About $76. Okay? It's going to come down. Do this number, something like this. And right on earnings, if they meet or beat the estimate, it's going to go back up again. Almost for sure. I'm not sure, Longblad. I'm gonna have to go look. Will, what's good? Yes, Will, I do. In the Discord, I offer a full training course, buy and sell alerts, as well as one-on-one coaching. And then I also just launched my masterclass boot camp, which only has 10 slots total. So 10 traders total. And I only have 3 spots available left. I'll take a look at PayPal. I'm strong on Square. So we got Snowflake, Affirm, Lyft, Rivian, Wayfair, Starbucks. And then we'll look at Square. Because they also got Cash App, Block. Actually, true story. Absolutely true story. Block has helped make me my $1.5 million, or $1.75 million, like 1.7 something. So this is one of the reasons why. Amazon and Block were the 2 stocks that I bought in 2015 that made me almost 200 grand in 5 years. They really kick-started my trading. It was in my how trading changed my life after divorce. Best Buds, what's up? Mole, what's up? Larry, what's good? Welcome, fam. Rob, appreciate that, buddy. You and Kim, 20%'s good. Jay, appreciate you being here, buddy. Best buds, you have to schedule a call on the website with me and my team so we can build you a class that works for you, a trading plan, stuff like that. We get on the phone, we start really hashing it out. Sometimes I do crypto and futures, but mostly stocks and options. MU. Let me take a look at MU after I'm done with Block. So Block also has earnings, you see? I'll show you how I'm gonna see that downtrend. It's a wicked downtrend, right? 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. Let's see if we can get 3 touches to make it official. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is official, all right? That's a 4-hour downtrend. Lock that. Support floor. See support. Support. There's your wedge. Now's the time to buy Block. See? Come down a bit. Boof. 1-year price target, $90. That is like a $26 return per share. Awesome, Yoon. I appreciate that, man. This is the stock that I'm bullish on, Block. And I think the floor, the ultimate floor, is like right around 53 or 38. See, there's a little bit of a floor at 54 and another one around 51. So right about there. See? Touch, 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 touch. These are 2 different floors. And look at the upside. You see? Block is trading close to the floor. Really. Like, eventually, this is what's going to happen in the next 2 to 3 years. Yes, killed it. It absolutely does. Ricardo, what's up, man? And Guild, it absolutely does. Everything from the very beginner steps all the way to advanced steps, charts, analytics, graphs, everything, trading, everything you can think of. There's like 5 hours of like full training. WBA, I'm not sure about that. I don't study that stock. I try to stay away from stocks like that if I can help it. It's risky. At least right now it is. I'll look at GameStop. Intel. I'm not as bullish on Intel as I'm on Block. Intel's got its problems. Let me show you where Intel's problems lie. Ooh, $24 billion in debt. Total assets, $191 billion. Liabilities, $81 billion. Total equity, $109 billion. Total liabilities and shareholder equities is what throws them over the deep end. They're $49 billion in debt. Net debt, $24 billion. They're just not managing their cash the proper way. At least it doesn't seem like it. Cash flow, negative, 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 negative. Like income, $12 billion. Operating, negative. Net income, negative. Unless they change something, turn it around real quick, I'd stay away for now. I would not touch Intel with a 10-foot pole right now. I had 10 grand in Intel about a year ago, and I dumped it real quick. I dumped it like, I don't remember honestly the exact day, but it was somewhere like September, October. Like maybe back here somewhere. I dumped around $35, $40 last year. So it was like right here on the peak. Or right here, somewhere back here. I can't remember. I honestly don't remember. It's been a while. Yeah, Intel's bad. I wouldn't touch Intel. Not right now. We could do AMD. AMD's priced pretty premium, though, you know? No problem. Text, no problem. AMD's pretty good. I think they're a little expensive right now, but we'll look at their credentials. Oops, I don't want to go to technicals. Financials. Revenue, $5 billion. Operating, $62 million. Pre-tax, $64 million. EBITDA, $872 million, almost $1 billion. Thumbs up. Bravo. All right. Balance sheet. Asset, $67 billion. Look at their net debt. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Negative $2.77 billion in debt. That means AMD is sitting on almost $3 billion in cash, no debt. So AMD is the tech buy right now, not Intel. Cash flow, $500 million. Free cash flow, $379. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I give Intel a 2, and I give AMD a 7 or an 8. So if you must, it has to be AMD. AMD is doing very good. Archer Aviation and Joby. I'll take a look, Michael. Appreciate it so much. NEE. Let me check it. Let me check this out. Joby. Let's take a look at Joby and see what's happening. Negative EPS. $5.10. Transportation. All right. Operation activities negative. Cash flows negative. Oh my God. Let me see. Financial activities. Reduction of long-term debt. That's good. It's really good. They purchased investments and sold maturity investments for a profit. That's good. Still negative on the cash flow, though. $1 billion in assets. Liabilities, $1 billion. Equity, $1 billion. Billion in cash. Okay. No debt. Low cash, like they're negative cash flow, but they have no debt. It's a good growth stock. It looks like there's potential. 25,000 from 1 million. Their trailing 12 month is 1 million. That's compared to these numbers is good. Look at the reduction. They're moving up. They're struggling though. They hit a roadblock here somewhere. They're losing money. They're hemorrhaging money somewhere. Where are they hemorrhaging money? Unusual expenses are $40 million. Okay. EBITDA is -2. This is a risky play. They have no debt though, you know? And the airline industry is sucking right now. So I would say that for the next 6 months to a year, we're going to be down here. Don't expect a rebound to $10 till like next summer of 2025. What's up, Mando? Derek, J-Rod, what's up? I'll take a look at Oxy. HNST and Oxy, I'll take a look at them both. The Honest Company, I've heard of them. Good company. Let's take a look at their financials. If you guys are just stopping in and you like the way I analyze and you want to learn how to do this for yourself and you want coaching, one-on-one, Discord, training course, you can sign up at any time, investwithcorey.com or in the information box below on this video. Let's look at some financials. Revenue of 86 million. Operating income 755. Pre-tax negative. EBITDA 38K, not bad. They're almost broke even on EBITDA. Let's look at the cash flow. Good. Cash flow's good. But they're down. Something happened this quarter. See right here. Something's happened. 3 billion in cash, which is really good. Total debt 29 million. Equity 200 or liabilities 201 million. 123 million equity, 201, 2.96. So 3 million in cash. Not very much cash, but they're debt free. Another good growth stock. I might like the Honest Company more than Joby. Just because they're already breaking above profits quicker than Joby is, and the airline industry is kind of poop right now. Let me see. I'll check out Oxy's earnings. So far, the Honest Company's good. 1 cent. 1 cent. Not bad. Hopefully, I can break above and be positive. Oxy's, I'll look at that next. Honest Company's good. It's a good growth stock. I'll look it up. Jay, I'll look it up. What's up, Dan? Pedro or Pedro. Alex, what's up? Hades. What's up, Michael? Rivian, hold. Rivian's good. Rocket Lab, good so far. I'll take a look, though. Oxy hasn't missed earnings. They beat him. Let me see. Let's look at financials. Very good already. Good revenue. Gross profit. Operating income $1 billion. Holy crap. Net income's good. Shares outstanding. EPS. The basic earnings are good. Dilutions less. That's good. EBITDA good. Very, very good. Assets. Oh my God, 75 billion. Yowzers. That's a lot. Total liabilities 46 billion, equity 30 billion, 19 billion in debt. Don't like the debt, fam. Good on the free cash flow. Good on operation activities. So yeah, it's a good, strong. They're in debt though. They're definitely in debt, but 63, 72. This is a decent buy. I might hold on this. It doesn't seem like a lot of growth potential, though. Palantir, what's up? The JLP, what's up? What's up, fam? Howard, what's good? Okay, Lilium. I'll look him up. I don't know what it would be. I've never looked it up before. There we go. This is a far growth stock, my friend. This is about 5 to 10 years out, easy. Unfortunately. Fairchild, Derek, what's good? Celsius Holdings, yes. The drinks. Ooh. Securities fraud. Ooh, yikes. Yeah, Roaring Kitty. I don't even want to talk about him. No good. Appreciate the super chat, Howard. Lilium looks good, but they're, like I said, at very, very beginning stages. Be very wary. Negative cash. No debt, though. They're sitting on 183 million in cash. Not bad, not bad. For being a new company, I mean, that much cash? That's good. I think Lilium might actually be... It might be a good buy. The only problem is it's under $1. I don't know how I feel about that because they're going to have to do a reverse split. Oh, that's good, Derek. That's really good. Ricardo, what's up, man? Let's look at Kava. What do they do? Oh, restaurants. That's right. Zoe's Kitchen and stuff. Okay. 1 year price target of 86. No. I don't know. They got a bearish sentiment. I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know. I'd wait for a pullback. I'd try to get in at 71. Wait for a pullback on that. American Airlines, what's up, Joseph? Alex, Sava? Hades, I'll check AMC. Yes, there could be a dive around election time, for sure. Vision, I wait for a pullback on Meta to around 480. Jeff, what's up? I'll look at Palantir. DraftKings is pretty good. Like I said previously, if you guys enjoy the way I analyze stocks, you guys like my way of coaching, and you like my strategies, my channel, and if you're looking to improve your wealth, and you want to join my one-on-one coaching and Discord and training course, you guys can do so at investwithcorey.com. The trade alerts that I gave on Rivian, Hims, Robinhood. My Discord group made like 200% on Rivian. Or not Rivian, like almost 200% on a previous trade. They made almost 100% on Rivian. Like 90, 80 or 90. I made 90 on Rivian. Hims, they did like, oh my God, Hims was like another 100%. And then there was a Palantir trade that made like 20%. Lyft was like 10 to 15%. Affirm was like 50%. Then I had two other trades that actually worth 3x returns, like in the previous 2 weeks. So if that's something you guys are interested in, be sure to check out the website, investwithcorey.com. Like I said, I just launched my boot camp masterclass. I got 3 spots left. It's limited to 10 people. And then, of course, my regular training, one-on-one coaching. I have limited spots left for July. I've got some, so if you guys want to jump into that. AMC, I will do next. Yes. I don't think Neo's going to 250. I just don't think so. Let's look at Palantir. This I would stay away from till it pulls back. I'd be weary on Palantir. I really would. Good, you took my Shopify trade alert from a few weeks ago. Good stuff, 16% on Shopify. Let's go. Oh yeah, Mole. Probably. Let's look at some Palantir. I don't think this gap is going to fill. I just don't think so. Like, look at the price up here. It would take a bad catalyst to shove Palantir all the way down. Oh, I'll buy Palantir. I got like 25 grand in Palantir. I definitely would buy Palantir. No doubt at all. Let me see. Where the gap is on the daily chart. There we go. See the gap, fam? Do you see that nasty gap? I don't think that's going to fill. It would take a really bad catalyst. It really would. I think that Palantir is going to have a lot of struggle trying to fill that gap. If you're waiting for the gap, I wouldn't. I just wouldn't wait for that gap. It's going like $150 a share in the next 5 years. Fuck it. If you pay 10 bucks, 20 bucks, what's the difference of $10 long term? It's going to be like $100 stock in 5 years. Appreciate that, Jeep. No, Derek, they don't necessarily have to get filled. Good job, RG. Jay Martinez, what's up? I'll look it up. Time to board the rocket. Heck yeah. Heck yeah, Jeep. Good stuff. Good stuff. I love me some Palantir. Yeah, it's probably not going to go down there on Neo either. Ooh. I don't like these splits. I don't like them. Let's look at some financials. Pretty good, pretty good. Not too bad, not too bad. Cash flow is rough. 270 million. Ooh, this is a rough stock. Right now. I'd be weary of this. I put Lithium Cycle Holdings, like I put them in the same category as ChargePoint, Blink Charging, and EVgo. Be very, very weary of the electrical battery charging sector. Alex, I'll look at it. Let's take a look. Benjamin, what's up, fam? What's up? How you doing, Ben? All right, so let's see what's going on with this. Dividends, of course. 1 year target 104. Let's look at their financials. Assets. The net debt is pretty good. Net debt is really good. Yeah, this looks pretty good. Cash flow, little negative on the cash flow. Income statement. Operating income. Something doesn't look right here. Hold on. Operating expenses, 20 million. Gross profit, 300K in the negative. They're getting better, though. Net income is good. This is a growth stock, but this could be potentially good. This could be potentially very good. I would look at this. Why'd they drop? Oh, there's an indictment. Oh my God, an indictment. That's no good. Right now it's a buy, though. At that price, based on this, it might pull back more. Try to get in around 10, fam. 10 bucks. Right here. That'd be very good. He's a fraud. Is that what he is? Are you saying that this dude's a fraud? And they have him? Why would they hire a fraud? That doesn't make any sense. Yikes. That company's going to be fucking suffering. Very welcome, Alex. If you guys want the best growth potential, Palantir, SoFi, Neo, SoundHound. Those are the best. Let's look at PayPal, Larry and Manny. What's up, WPB? 123. Channel member. What's up, fam? I'll look at SoFi for you too. Let's look at PayPal. Let's see what's going on with PayPal. RBC, if you guys don't know, is Royal Bank Canada. $84 a share. And they're at 58. Yeah, not bad. Let's see what their earnings are. Yeah, Derek, for sure. 7 billion, 3 billion, 1.42, 121, 888. EBITDA is strong. Pretty good. Assets, net debt, 3 billion. Liabilities, not bad. A little high on the liabilities, though. Trailing 12 months looks good. They're down a bit this quarter. 176 in free cash flow. PayPal's strong. PayPal's pretty strong. This is a very strong stock. Yeah, PayPal's solid. PayPal's very solid. What's going on with that? You can't always believe this nonsense. President Capital adjusts price target on PayPal to 65 from 74. Neutral rating. Like, I'm not trying to be mean or anything, but who gives a shit what President Capital thinks? I don't. Most analysts are agenda pushers. They're the same people that gave a $9 price target to Palantir. Out of their fucking minds. Like, listen, I'm not. What's up, Hef? What's up, Larry? Listen, let me explain this to you guys. You're very welcome, Larry. I don't give a shit what analysts say on Wall Street. They're the dumbest shitheads on earth. They're stupid. I'm just being honest. They're stupid. They are really stupid. And I'll tell you why. I worked briefly, very, very briefly, and also still friends with people at Schwab. These guys are robots, okay? They're robots. They have algorithmic trading, and they've got stuff going on where they're like, oh, look at the price start to go down. Start selling. All right, let's start buying little by little. Let's sell, make the price go down more. Let's put out bad news. Ooh, we're scared in here today. The price is going down. Let's hedge our position. Let's buy puts. Don't buy that stock. It's too scary. They take no risks. They don't think for themselves, and they manipulate. Nah. I have friends that still work over there. I don't want anything to do with them. Not when it comes to this. They're my friends, but I won't talk stocks to them. It's like talking politics. It just makes no sense. It's like trying to talk about the president to CNN or something. It just doesn't make no sense. Wall Street people, analysts, hedge funds, they're absolutely clueless when it comes to growth potential of stocks. They push agendas. They short stocks. They loan shares out. These brokers loan these fucking companies out so you can short them. They make money from it. I don't trust any of them. They're a bunch of liars. A bunch of scammers, really. So if you believe in something, and their net debt is positive, like PayPal, I don't know, man. I agree, Derek. Exactly, Derek. Exactly. Oh my God, Gordon Johnson's an idiot. Like that, if you gave that dude money to invest without help, he'd probably blow everything. He'd burn a portfolio. It's one of the most ignorant people on earth. You could give that man $1 million and tell him to put it all on Palantir and somehow he would still lose. He could buy calls and the stock market could go up and he would somehow still lose money. I don't know how he would do it, but he would buy calls, the market would go up and he'd still lose money. Like, I don't get that guy at all. I don't even want to talk about that guy anymore. Like, think about that. He could buy calls on Palantir and the stock price goes up and he would still lose money. Like, it's mind-boggling. Do not let that guy anywhere near your portfolio. Spiritually, physically, virtually, mentally. Like, if he tells you to buy something, sell it. Sell it very fast. Don't take any advice from that guy. Appreciate that, Derek. Let me explain to you what matters more than an analyst rating, right? Analyst said Palantir is $9, right? $9? Of course. Of course. Let me show you why. Let me show you what hedge funds are good at doing. Let me show you. This right here is a gap, right? It's a FVG, fair value gap. The same thing as slippage. If a stock is plunging down and you sell at, say, 19 market value, you might get filled at 15 if it goes down fast enough. That's called slippage. This is a fair value gap. So what do? They put out a price target of $9. So you will sell. So this is what they do. You sell, so the price goes down. They put more fear. You sell, the price comes down. More fear. You sell, boom, it gap fills. What happens next, fam? What happens next? I'll tell you what happens next. The hedge funds will initiate $100 million worth of purchases over 5 days. It'll go up, down, up, down, up, down, poof, goes up. They bought down here. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. Now the price goes up. All right. Guess what happens? Some bad news happens. Maybe not a good earnings. They all sell and dump. Poof. So guess what's happening? You buy, you sell. You buy, you sell. What are they doing? Buying, selling. They buy the bottom. They sell the top and sell it to you. Then you buy it at the top. When it goes down in fear, you sell it back to them at a cheap price. 100%. So they buy it here. You sell it to them. They sell it here. You buy it from them. You get fucked on both ends of the stick every single time. It's absolute stupidity. You want to know how you beat that system? This is how you beat it. You buy right there. If it drops, you add. If it drops, you add. If it drops, you add. Period. Dollar cost average. Then when the stock price goes back up and up, sell it all off and make like 200%. That's how you give the finger to the hedge funds and these manipulators. See, that doesn't work on me. If all works out for me this year, I'll break into 2 mil, hopefully by January. It doesn't work on me because when they tell me to sell, I buy every single time. Let me show you on Lyft. Remember, fam? Lyft was going down. Oh, Lyft is going down. Oh my God, Lyft is going down. It's time to sell. Look at this shit. The price went up $1. Why? Hedge funds. You think Lyft is done? Not a chance. Lyft's going to go up there. You are getting forced to sell at the bottom and buy at the top. Seriously, it's absolute stupidity. Let me quiz you guys right now. Put it in the chat. Put your answer in the chat. When Corey, invest with Corey, when I see a big red candle drop like this and it settles, what do you think I'm doing? Selling or buying? Put it in the chat. Buy or sell. Let's see who's right. Invest with Corey. What do I do? If I see this on a good stock, what am I going to do? Am I panicking and selling, or am I greedy and buying? What am I going to do? Let's see if you guys can figure this out, fam. What's up? I'm definitely buying. You got it. I am definitely buying. I am not going to let that shit go to waste. Very good stuff, fam. Very, very good. I'm proud of you. I like that. Starbucks, very good stock. The same cannot be had for the CEO. CEO is a little bit out of his gourd. And definitely not like Palantir, okay? He's no Alex Karp. When I say something ain't right, I mean, like, he has no business being in the business, if you know what I'm saying. On good companies, when you see a drop on a good company, buy. Just keep buying. If you see this big red candle and this happens on Fisker Motors, newsflash, get the fuck out, fam, get the fuck out. I just had to do that. I had to do that. I had to put it over the intercom. You know, we got a little problem over here. We got Fisker Motors dropping. Everybody drop your bags, drop your bags. That's just exactly what I feel like right there. Oh, yeah. Fisker delisted. I'll explain about Rivian. Absolutely. Nike, hold. Make sure Nike holds first. Harshil Patel, what's up? It's a buy right now. If you can get into Snowflake under 120, it's a steal. Let's go ahead and take a look at Nike. Braden, absolutely. Another one of my trade alerts. Lyft. Let's look. Oh, by the way, Starbucks is a buy. All in on Starbucks, fam. Look at this recovery. It's filling the gap. Look at this. See this gap? Let me show you, fam. This is how it works. You see that? Look at that shit, boys. It filled half of the gap. Starbucks. Keep your eye on Starbucks. Very, very solid. If they meet or beat earnings, oh my God. Parabolic time. Parabolic. Thanks so much, Ben. I'm glad you're liking Discord. I'm glad you're liking the coaching. Like Ben said, like Jeep Chick earlier, if you guys are interested in joining my one-on-one training course and one-on-one coaching Discord, you guys can do so at investwithcorey.com. I'm here to show you guys that I care every Sunday. If you guys like this, one-on-one coaching is like this, but every single week, one-on-one. Hold off, Adam. Not right now. No. I'd give it a couple of days this week at least to make sure it's stable. It's volatile, fam. I don't want to see you lose any money. So just wait. See how things steady as she goes. Once Nike breaks 77 or 78, I buy calls. Maybe sooner, but we got to wait how that happens. Adam, my partner takes care of all pricing and stuff like that. But if you just go on the website and sign up, then me and you and him have a three-way chat. We get you all set up. What's up, Jose? I'd love to have you, fam. I want to teach as many people as I can because hedge funds are greedy frigging thieves. Lucid are okay. 5 to 10% of your portfolio. 5 to 10% safe. I feel more bullish on Rivian, though. What's up, C says? Matthew, what's up? Heffy, what's up? I don't know if I called your name or not. Jose? Jose Cuervo. E.T. I'll take a look. If you guys are wondering about the website, I'll show you. That's the website right there. You guys can sign up. Click on training. You guys can check out my video. You can watch the video and then you can sign up, schedule an appointment. So let's look at energy transfer. This is iffy for me, but it's pipeline. It's a pipeline company. Man, if I didn't like at $14 was 100%. Wait for a pullback, fam, right about here. If you can get in under 16, do it. Tesla's always good. JJ, what's good? Hey, JJ, McDonald's is announcing a new AI partner on July 30th, I think, or 31st. If it's SoundHound, the stock is going to go to $15 a share, and right now it's $4. They already broke 10 previously. Nvidia invested them. So I've got thousands of shares in SoundHound. Be ready, fam. Be ready. Philly silly. I have no position left in my small portfolio. Some in my big one, though. Walgreens is okay. I like CVS better. What's up, one key rep? No, cannot close any options after hours. Only stocks. Yep, I've still got a position in my big portfolio, Philly. I'm going to definitely add some, I think. I'm definitely going to add some GameStop this week. I heard GameStop was going to be huge on the 4th or 5th for July 4th. I just don't recommend it on my channel because I try to be more realistic, you know? Make sure I got it down before I recommend it. Oh, yeah. SoFi. How did I forget SoFi? Let's look at Energy Transfer's financials first. We're going to be wrapping this call up in about 5 minutes. I try to do this every week for you guys. This is how much I care. I really want to help as many people as possible. It's impossible to help everyone, though. It literally is, because I'm one person, but I try. Total revenue, 21 billion. Very, very good. 2 billion. 1 billion. Excelente. Net income, oh my God, very good on net income. Wow. $1 billion. That is good. EBITDA, 3 billion. We're on to something, fam. This sheet looks incredibly good. Hold on. Net debt, 53 billion. 114 in assets. That's very good. Don't like the debt, though, of course. 380 in operational activities, financing activities, investing activities. Free cash flow is 3 billion. All right, it's a buy. I mean, I would think it's a buy. Is there any bad news catalysts? Oh, senior notes. Oh, wow. How much? 1 billion in aggregate principal? Uh, I have to look into this more. But it looks good. Earnings are red, though. EPS earnings are red. 32. They're still profitable. Yeah, overall, fam, this stock looks decent. 5 to 10%. It's a buy. They got a lot of money. They got a lot of money. Heck yeah, Chris. Appreciate you being here, fam. Awesome, Fairchild. Malia Hugh. Did I pronounce that right? Is it Hugh or Hayu? I'm pretty good with names decently because I speak German and French, so I can sort of, and some Spanish, so I can understand certain names and pronunciations and stuff like that. Snow compared to Palantir. It's a good question. It's a very good question. Dizzy, BYD is good, so is Neo. Jose Torres, what's up? No problem, fam. Plug-in Empire. Nvidia is good. I'm very bullish on Nvidia long term. Short term, neutral-ish, because it's got some pullbacks and some dips, but definitely bullish. But Snow versus Palantir. Palantir's PE ratio is 200, forward-looking 53. Market cap's going to reach 250 billion in 5 years. That's a 5x return. Do we really think Snowflake's going to make it to $900 a share? What's more likely, Palantir to go to 100 or Snowflake to go from 130 to 1,000? Palantir to go to 100, fam. Palantir is probably the better play than Snowflake, most likely. They also have faster growth and a higher growth year over year, too. In my opinion, Palantir is the strongest stock right now for growth. It's better than Neo. It's better than SoFi. It's better than all of them. Like, Palantir is the play. Like, Palantir is so strong. So much potential. That's not taken away from SoFi or Neo, though. Don't get me wrong. Two very great stocks. Same with SoundHound. I'm extremely bullish on Affirm. I got a feeling Affirm's going to boast an earnings that's going to be neutral. They're expected to be negative 50 cents a share EPS. I got reasons to believe it's going to be closer to zero. Affirm is going to be astronomical. I got a feeling, fam, on Affirm. So keep it in the back of your head. I've got like a $10,000 investment going into Affirm tomorrow. This will be available. Yes, Lisa. Always. Hades wants to short. Oh my God. Everybody in this chat's about to boo the living shit out of me. I can't do it. Because the stock that I'm going to recommend to short, everybody's going to get so mad at me. As soon as I say it, everybody's going to say boo. Everyone's going to be like, boo, as soon as I say it. It's sacrilegious, fam. Oh, Hades. I'm going to say it anyway, but I think I'm going to get I'm going to get booed out of the building on this one. Oh my God. All right, fam. I'm just going to give Hades an answer, but it doesn't mean I'm doing it. So don't shoot the messenger. SoFi. Might as well join them, right? Just short SoFi. It's going to drop to 630 or 640 this week again. You could just short SoFi and make like a quick 5 to 10% this week. I'm not short on SoFi at all, but people are shorting it and making good money because the shit just keeps going up and down like a zigzag. But the shorts are going to get burned in the next 3 to 6 months. Big time. Do not take that recommendation to Hades as me being short. I am 100% long on SoFi. I refuse to short them, but you know, if you're going to make profit, you could do that. I would also, there's other companies I would short. It's too late for Nike, though. Way too late. I was thinking about shorting Nike, honestly, but I missed that opportunity. That train left the station for me. So it sucks for me. I'm looking at something else here. Okay, so let me... This is another stock I want you guys... Oh, wow. I'm still drawing? I don't even know what I'm still drawing. I'm very bullish on Wayfair, fam. Very, very bullish. I'm not saying I'm going to be 100% right. Earnings are supposed to be 50 cents a share. If they meet or beat that, oh my God. Wayfair is going to end up at $70. Let me show you what happens, okay? Oops, why did I open up Adobe Acrobat? I'm so like out of it. Calculator. Okay, check this. Let's say you buy 200 shares of Wayfair for $52. 10,400, right? But then let's say you sell those same shares for 70 bucks. 14,000. You make 3,600 bucks, which is like a 30% return in about a month. And you can sell covered calls if you wanted to. On every 100 shares, every contract is like $100 a week. 400 bucks a month. I'm very, very bullish on Wayfair. Yes, long blade. Definitely SoundHound all the way. What's up, Ty? Thank you so much, Robert. Taste of 20. Rivian did not lose its steam. No, it's good still. Appreciate that, Robert. Yeah, if you guys are thinking about joining the one-on-one coaching and you guys want to be a part of the Discord, I give trade alerts that are 50, 70, 80% return. Hims, Rivian, Robinhood, SoundHound, Palantir, Lyft, Affirm, like some really good trades. Shopify, a bunch of others. You guys can join at anytime, investwithcorey.com. Andy, absolutely, bro. I know how you feel. Definitely do poor man's covered call. You can make like $400 a month on Wayfair. Like, let me show you. Let me show you. I'm getting all excited. I love this shit. Look at Wayfair, fam. Go 2 weeks out. Wayfair's at 52. I wait for them to go up before I'd sell a covered call. But if you just want to make juicy premium on the calls, okay. Have at it. Look at this. We'll sell a 54. $169 on a 54. We could go all the way to 60 and still make 35 bucks. And Wayfair would have to jump $9 just for you to break even. But if you're going weekly, I would do like 54, 55, 60 to $90 a week, $130 a week. That's too close though. I'd go 56. Delta of 22, 40 bucks a week, free money. 50 is even better. 29 Delta is safe. If you own the shares and you buy them at 52, fuck it, sell it at 55 or 54. $92. If I buy 400 shares like I plan on this week, look at my premium. I'm gonna make like $400. Like, I don't know, like what, 95 maybe? 380. Oh, another thing too. If you buy a poor man's covered call, a long call, and spend $1,000 on Wayfair, and you buy a $50 call and sell a 55 and collect $100 for the month, 200 bucks. If Wayfair goes above 55, it's fine. Buy back the short call, then sell the long call. They work in tandem. The long call is worth more than the short call, except for implied volatility. If you guys want to learn about that, my Discord, my one-on-one coaching and training course, that's what that's for. They work in tandem. So if the short call goes negative 400, that's fine. You lost 400 on the short call. It's fine. The long call is not worth 1,000 anymore. It's now worth 1,500. You still made 100. Buy back the short call and keep selling covered calls again, or buy back the short call, sell the long call, cut your losses, take your small profit, and move on. You are not in danger. That is why you have a long call. It's there to hedge you. Don't let people scare you. You're totally fine. Autumn, what's up, Autumn? Your entry on Affirm is 29 or 30. Anywhere between 29 and 30 is an absolute steal. Soon as it goes to 34, 35, sell it. Make your 500 on every 100 shares. Lisa, American Airlines will come back, but it's going to be end of the year, January. Most likely. Hades, Rivian, we're going to get another push on Rivian. Absolutely. Yoon, Bitcoin's breaking out. Hell yeah. Autumn, are you in the Discord, right, Autumn? I recognize your picture. You're Discord fam, aren't you? Pretty sure. Hard telling. Entry on Palantir? Buy. I don't know. Palantir's hard to tell. A $23 pullback is looking like it could happen, but if I tell you to wait for 23 and it goes to 30, you're going to be mad at me. So honestly, just add. If Palantir goes down, add more. If it goes down, add more. Oh, okay. I like how you put not yet, Autumn. I like that. I like that, fam. I want to help everybody. I want everybody in here to make money. That is the goal. All of us together. You're part of my IWC fam. I can't help other people that watch other channels, but I can help everyone that watches me. I'll look at TNA. I got you, Diego. Isaac, I would buy long calls. I would buy September, October calls, fam. If you got to buy calls on Palantir, buy September, October calls on Palantir. The inclusion's going to happen. They're going to skyrocket. I got you, fam. I got you. It's got to be September, October, fam. Yes, Dizzy. I do mess with SPY once in a while. SPY is expensive, bro. Oh my God. My God. Wowzers. It cost me like almost 60 grand to get into SPY for 100 shares. Fuck. It's like 2% of my portfolio for 100 shares. That's fucking crazy. That's really crazy. I had like 300 shares at one point. I was like $145,000, something like that on my big portfolio. I sold that for a profit. I made like 10 grand in a week. I was done. I don't hold long term because that's a lot of money. Even on like $1.5 million, that's a lot. Like if SPY was to tank and I was to lose 50 grand, that's like 3%, 2-3% loss. I mean, I don't know. I don't like that idea. So I don't hold too long. ETFs are safe though. Don't get me wrong. I just don't like losing money short term. You know? Florida kid, definitely. I'll take a look. Half right face. What's up, man? Yeah, man. I definitely love scalping SPY. Listen, I'm not going to lie, fam. I'll sit around on a Monday when the bell opens on SPY on my large portfolio, and I'll buy like 50 call contracts. I'll buy them. It'll start to go up and I'll sell them. Listen, fam, I'll make like 0.5%. Literally 0.5%. And I still make like $5,000 in like 30 seconds. I know. I'm not a big fan of scalping too much, but I do it. I scalp the SPY, man. I scalp it. Like I'll just buy, poof, starts going up, I'm out. In, out, done. It's all over. Selling puts on Nvidia? Absolutely. Yeah, Thai VIX is very weak right now, which is good for us. Polestar, Florida kid, I'm not really bullish on right now. But I'll look at Polestar. Let me see. I think I still have them in here if I'm not mistaken. No, do I not have Polestar in here anymore? Oh wait, maybe I put them in my weekly list. I'm pretty sure they're in my weekly list. Hold on. Oops, I picked watch list. Yikes. Polestar would be in the P. Where did am I blind or something? Or did I take it out? There it is. Oops. They still got me drawn. Trading View, why are you gonna do me like that? Oh, they're losing so much money though. $319 in a year. Problem is they're under $1 and they could reverse split. So if you have 1,000 shares, you only have 100 to 500. So I don't like buying around split time, and they're going to split in the next couple of months if they don't get their act together. They just had earnings. Oh my God. And they blew it. They did. They absolutely blew it. I'd wait, fam. I really would. Look at this. It's probably going to come down a bit. Do something like this. But this is where the potential is. If earnings is good, boom. That's likely. But right now, it's hard to say, man. But I appreciate that, Florida Kid. Thank you for the positive vibes. Appreciate you guys. DFL Cali. Very welcome. Yeah, I'd be careful, Florida. I'd be careful. Thoughts on Chewy? Let's go. Chewy's strong. But ooh, actually, hold on. I see something. I see something. Oh my God. Why does it keep making me draw for? There we go. What was this? Yikes. That's a little, it's a little much. That's a lot of rejection. Okay. Here's what you wait for. Let me show you a little secret, a little trick. Do you see this 10-day on the orange, and the blue is the 20-day? It's now below. If a green candle, a 1 hour green candle, closes like this. Actually, what am I doing? Why am I drawing this in red? Hold on. If a green candle closes like this, and we see another green like this above, then we might be okay. All right. However, if this stock comes down a little bit, let's say it comes down like this, this 10-day is going to cross over the 20-day like that. That's a pullback, and a pretty big one. Then we've got the 100-day. It could invert and bounce over. So if it rejects on the 100-day, that is your entry. You can actually get in at $24. If not, and it keeps going down, let's look at the daily chart. No, that's the floor right there. 21 is the floor. So you want to try to get in down here. Anything under 24 is good. What's up, Truth? Chipotle? I'm not sure, Lisa. Let me take a look. Fairway to play. What's up? I already covered SoFi. Yes. I'll show it one more time. Small float on GME. Dan, not sure. Be wary of GME right now. There's a big big jump coming, then a drop this week. LOY is good. But Dizzy, I'll check it out. Let me do SoFi and Chipotle before we end the stream. Ooh, a lot of resistance. A lot. This is the floor. 10-day crossed under the 20. They both cross over the 10 or the 100, excuse me. A lot of resistance. We're looking for a green candle to do this. I don't have my pen hooked up right now. If we get a green candle like that, it's a buy. Long. If not, we could see Chipotle break. Or Chipotle break. Down. So, I don't know. I would say another floor is right around here. A pullback to 57 is likely. It's somewhat likely. So this is what I would look for. I would wait to see if Chipotle breaks, comes down, and we can get in around 59. Under 60 is the goal. Autumn AMC, maybe? They got screwed over. Big time. Because of the pandemic. A lot of support, though, right here. That's possible. I could see AMC ending up by the end of summer, $6, maybe. They got to make some profits, though. They got to bring some good theater stuff back, you know? Yeah, truth. They definitely have sympathy. All right, last two. Nvidia. And then Rivian. A lot of support. Right there. You notice it dipped, came right back up. Support. We're in a downtrend, though. See, we broke this. We broke that. So that's gone. We broke that trend. We've still got this uptrend. So because of this uptrend right here, it gapped it. Like, it gapped it so bad. It's likely Rivian could do this. Or excuse me, Nvidia could do this. And do something like that. Okay? It could also do something like this. And then come back up. But either way, this line right here is your uptrend over the last 3 months. It's going to touch. They always do. Which means somewhere between now and the end of July, Nvidia is going to go back to 115 or 120. It's very likely. Because this is resistance. And this is the uptrend. The 10-day right here crossed over the 20-day. And now they're in a downtrend. And it's going to hit this support and this one. So expect Nvidia to go back to 115, 120. Short term in the next couple of weeks. See? Something like this. Nvidia is going to do something, you know? That's just an idea. It's not for sure, but just based off of charting. We're at a wedge. This is a bull flag, you see? Look at this. See that? It's kind of like the flag pull. It works better on the 4 hour though. Yeah, a lot better on the 4 hour. See, this is the flag and this is the pull going up. It's kind of a shitty pull, you know, but whatever. Guess you could just put it like this. See, and there's the flag. It's a really steep flag though. Like it's really not even a flag actually, but sort of. You see, this is the flag right here. And this is the pole, sort of. It's a bad example, but you guys get the picture. Very welcome, very welcome. Organic, what's up? FFIE, I'll take a quick look. Dividends are very strong, Florida kid. Let me look at Rivian like I promised. Do you see what happened here, fam? Just like I said. See how it's bouncing on the 100-day average? And the 10 days below the 20. Rivian could likely come down a little bit. Like this, and then come back up. Realistically, I see Rivian ending up around 14. 14 to 14.50, but it could come down a little more. Before that happens, I mean. But really, this is pretty strong. See, rejection, 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 rejection. If it keeps resisting this, we're going back up, fam. Maybe. Holding's fine. 14.44 is fine. Just dollar cost average. If Rivian goes down to say 13 flat or 13.20 or heck, even 13.42, add to your position. Just keep dollar cost averaging. Especially if you believe in the company, you know? Definitely if you believe. I'm checking something out here. Let me see. Let me see if I can find what I'm looking for. I'm looking at a chart on my phone on Rivian. I really think Rivian's going to bounce. I think Rivian's going to bounce. Like I do. I'm looking at two different charts and it does look very, very strong. But it's hard to say for sure. It's hard to say. I think it's really going to end up in the 13.50 to 14. I think it's going to consolidate a lot between 12 and 14. It's going to bounce. There's a lot of support here, though. What's up, James? How you doing, fam? Appreciate it. Appreciate it. I'm glad you enjoy. Like I said, if you guys want to join, like all of my members that have gave me a shout out here. I appreciate you guys. You guys can sign up, investwithcorey.com. I got some spots available in the masterclass boot camp, and I got some few spots remaining in the regular class Discord and full one-on-one coaching. So if you guys want to step up your game and you think that this is interesting, my one-on-one coaching and training course, there's way more than this. Like, it'll blow your mind. I'd love to help you guys become profitable, but ultimately, it's up to you if you guys want to join. And when you're ready, I look forward to speaking with you. Jose, I'm going to do a live every Sunday roughly the same time. Yes, because I really want to help as many people as I can. When you join my training course, that is where you're going to learn even more, like a lot more. So, you know, I'm doing this to try to help out the people that haven't joined. Hounds, what's up? I already hit Nvidia. Already hit him. Jared, what's up, buddy? I don't talk about that kind of stuff on YouTube's. Uncle Sam knows everything. And they do. Emerson, how would I invest $500? It's a tough call, fam. I'd buy 100 shares of SoundHound, probably. Sonny, definitely Neo's a buy. Oh, you got me. You got me. You're right. Oh my God, you're right. That went right over my head, Jared. Fuck. I literally didn't even realize it till you pointed it out. Doe! Homer Simpson moment. I know. I'm dumb. I love that movie, and I should have got it. But for a second there, I was thinking about Uncle Sam. Good call, though. I wish I could have actually thought of that ahead of time and made a remark about the comment from the movie, but I missed that opportunity. Totally missed it. Oh my God. That movie was great. Like two 16-year-olds in their 40s permanently, you know? DF Callie, that's exactly what I was saying. Yes. Good job, Ben, making that money off of Rivian. Heck yeah, man. Heck yeah. But yeah, Jared, that was funny. All right, fam. Rivian could go up pre-market. I know, right, Derek? I love stocks and trading and teaching so much that I'd sit here all night long if I don't tell myself I gotta go, because I got my live Discord call in the morning. Anyone who joins my Discord, they get to have this 2 times a week for a lot longer and a lot more in depth, and with trade alerts. You know, my fam's in here, so they know. It's a lot of fun. I love doing this, though. I really do. So it's like I get to do what I love. I get to help people. I love doing this. I really do. Couldn't have a better life. I appreciate that, Derek. I try. Yes, Super J. Listen, I'm probably going to upset a lot of people in the chat right now. Or maybe I won't. I don't know. I don't give a shit who's president. I only care about this. But unfortunately, it might upset people to know that if Trump wins the presidency, that's better for this. If you want this, it can't be Biden. This doesn't do well with Biden. This and Biden, they don't go together. It's like two rocks. It makes no sense. All right. Good stuff, Dizzy. Adam, what's up? End of the month, 140, unlikely. Possible. End of August, likely. I got a degree in finance. Biden is the worst president in the history. Not politically. Not saying that. Although I am. In any case, financially speaking, absolutely horrifying. I schedule a call tomorrow. Excellent, Adam. Excellent. Let me check and see if you're in there, buddy. I'm working overtime, bro. Rivian to the moon, pre-market, Hades. I hope so. Wait. Let me get my order in first, fam. I'm putting another order in the morning. Let me get that in before it goes to the moon, because if I see it go to 20 and I don't get in first, I'm going to be upset. I'm going to be a little upset on that, all right? So don't will it to happen too quickly. I need to get in first. So once I'm in, I'll will it with you. We'll go all the way up. I'm just checking. Yeah, you are, Adam. 4:15 with Jonathan, right? My partner, Jonathan. Good job, Adam. Dude, I can't wait to talk with you. There's so much that you're about to open the door on, Adam. I'm excited to have you, fam. Jonathan's a good dude, too. Me and John have been working together all weekend on some new stuff. You're going to like Jonathan. He's chill. We're going to chat. We're going to get you set up, you know? You're going to love it. I appreciate you, Alan. Thank you so much. We're going to win bigly, Jared. Absolutely. I talked about Tesla already, Hounds. Heck yeah, Sabina. Heck yeah, appreciate you, fam. Heck yeah, Hef, I see you on there as well. Hef, let me see who you're talking to on Friday. You got Anthony. Anthony's my dog. He's awesome. Yeah, Anthony's good people too, man. I got 2 or 3 people that I partner with that help me with my business because I couldn't do it all by myself. They're legendary. They're very, very helpful. Rivian to hit 19 in the pre-market, fam. Come on. Autumn, yes. Anthony is my teammate. That so is Jonathan, to basically introduce to new people, get you guys into the Discord. You and I, anybody who's in my Discord, my people will vouch for me in here. Once you're in my Discord, you can basically have access to me 24/7. 100%. Sonny, for dinner I had chicken, broccoli, and sweet potato. I eat healthy. No problem, Autumn. No, it doesn't cost an arm and a leg, Adam. It only costs a leg. We don't want arms right now. We'll get you in for a leg, and then as soon as you start making profits, you owe us an arm. And then once you start getting 6 figures, you're over 100 grand, you owe us the other leg and the other arm, unfortunately. So you'll do all your trading through a straw. I know that's a bad joke. I'm just fucking with you. That's a terrible joke. Lord, I apologize. That was terrible. Hopefully it made you laugh. That was a terrible joke. but hopefully it made people laugh. Does this swearing offend anyone? Because in my YouTube videos, I don't really swear, and I don't really have a potty mouth. I've only said that like maybe 4 curse words the whole hour. But once in a while they slip. If they offend you, I will 100% stop it. If they don't offend you, then once in a while it might happen. But I keep it real. Look, I'm not going to lie to anybody. I keep it real. If you join my Discord, are you going to become a better trader? Yes. Are you going to become profitable? Yes. If you join my one-on-one coaching, are you going to have financial freedom eventually at some point if you follow my guidelines? Yes. Am I going to help you? Yes. However, I'm honest. Are you going to get rich overnight? No. Are you going to make $1 million overnight? No. Are you going to make 100 grand your first day? No. Can I promise you the moon? No. Are you going to get rich in a week? No. I just keep it real, you know? And here's another real answer that most people won't give you. If you only have 50 grand to invest, can you make 100 grand in 3 months? No. I'm not going to lie to you because that's a scammer and I don't scam. If you got 50 grand, you'll make 2,000 a month profit with me. Easy. Consistently. And you will make 30, 40 grand your first year. You'll double your money almost. It's very reasonable. All of my shit is legit. Like, I'm not going to do that whole pump and dump crap. I'm very real, and my people will tell you the same thing. I will help you. You will have financial freedom, and you will get there 100%. It's just a matter of when, and I will help you do it. But I won't promise you the moon because that makes me a liar, you know? I'm going to under-promise, over-deliver. You're going to be happy. If you join, you'll be happy. And that's what I am. I'm real. I call it exactly like I see it. I'm not perfect. Not every trade is perfect, but I do my best so that everybody starts learning and becoming better and making profits. Heck yeah, Dizzy. Super, I don't handle all that. You got to schedule on the website, and you'll talk to Anthony and Jonathan and me. But they're the ones that handle that portion. Absolutely, Derek. We are getting smoked in the market. I was too, until I learned my strategy to skim off the top. Every single month, I'm skimming 50K, 30K, 20K. This month, June was a good month. I made like 47K in June almost. Like 46, 47K in my large portfolio. In my small portfolio of 27 grand, I made like 1,200, 1,500. So it's like a good month. And I just keep skimming off the top. Actually, I think I made more than 46K. If I really add it all up, it's probably like a $50,000 month. Pretty close. Yeah, Ben, it could go down to 1250. It could. Heck yeah, Alan. Nice, Alan. Awesome. You went from 7,000 to 11,500. That's really good. You almost doubled your money in the last couple of months. Hell yeah. Hounds, yeah, me too, buddy. I thought the same thing too. Right? Hounds, very good. Which video was that? Oh my God, what video was that? How long ago? Let me look that up right quick, fam. Give me a sec. Because that was a while ago, right? Hold on, let me see. I don't remember how long ago I did that video. Oh, there it is. I got it. I got it. I'll post it in the chat. Hold on. I do so many videos. I'm so busy. It's like, I forgot how long ago it was, you know? All right, I'm posting it in the chat here. Just give me 1 second. The live is giving me a commercial. Let me see if I can post it in here. Alrighty. I'm just trying to copy this link and get it posted. Got the link coming over. All right. It won't let me paste it. Why is it not letting me paste it? What is wrong with this? Let me paste the link, please. There it goes. Did it paste? Okay, it looks like it. It looks like it pasted. I kept trying to paste the link. It wouldn't go in. It was very, very strange. I think that link works, right? Confirm. Rivian to the moon. Autumn, I don't speculate too crazy, but in my dividend account, I'm doing 20K a month, 25K a month. In my trading account, I'm doing like 30, 40, 50K a month. Small account, 1,000 or 2. And then I also have a futures account. So all in all, probably like, I don't know. I would say on average, like 60K a month, 70K a month, easy. Maybe 80 sometimes on average. So it's like 800,000 a year, 900,000 a year, something like that. I mean, my account's, you know, I'm about to break 2 million in my big account. I got 200 and was like 1.7 or 1.8, but like by the end of the year, that's going to be a thing because I'm going to go very heavy in Wayfair. That's probably going to get me $20,000, $30,000 profit over the next few months. I got Rivian. I'm going to go back in Palantir with more. We got more Rivian, like I said. So I don't know. We'll see. It's hard to speculate, but 2 million by the end of the year for me is likely. And I broke 1 million about 2 years ago. So about $1 million in the account in 2 years, something like that, like 2.5 years, something like that. So yeah, it's not bad. But I don't spend a lot of money. When someone asked me if I like to spend a lot of money, I was like, not particularly. Like, no, I don't like wasting money. Bless you too, DF Cali. Big market share in robotics by 2030. Heck yeah, for sure, probably. Adam, it took a while. I went to school. I got a college degree in finance. Worked for Schwab briefly. And then, you know, I made an Amazon trade that made me 200 grand. Like, well, not 200 grand. It was like 120 or no, a little bit less than 120 because it was with Square. It was like 120 with Square. It's like 45, 46 on Square, 80 something on Amazon. So it's like 120, 125. And then I made a few trades after that. So I was well off in the beginning, pretty good. But then it grew a lot. Nice, Alan. Good stuff. Florida kid, I do have 2 Hellcats that I sold. I had actually 3. I had 2 Chargers and a Challenger Red Eye that did like 10 seconds and a quarter. I've got a Kawasaki ZX6R. I got a lifted Duramax sitting on 20s, 8-inch lift. I got a lifted Jeep, which has been on this channel before in a short. I got the Gladiator lifted. And I also have another Jeep. I got a couple of dirt bikes. So, yeah, I've had my fun. I had a Shelby GT350R. I just sold that. Absolutely, Alan. No, man, I'm a Duramax guy. The Duramax is parked right outside my office right here to the left. I love that truck. But I do love Ford. Big Ford guy, yeah. I love speed, bro. I love speed. My Red Eye ran 10s. 10s. Like all day. On drag slicks, it ran 9.1 at 150, street legal. 9.1, 151. Oh, yeah. Hounds. Well, I don't have 8 cars right now. I have 3. Well, no, I have 4. You got to count the Prius. I got a Prius, a Jeep Grand Cherokee, a Jeep Gladiator, a Duramax. I just sold the Challenger and the Mustang. And I got a bike and a couple dirt bikes. So, yeah. Not 8 cars, but like, you know, 4. I had 5. I had 6 at one point, but now it's down to 4. I'm getting slim on the vehicles. Ben, I'm doing something different for my kids. I do not have that set up yet. Maybe I should, but I have something other for him. Beginners with a small portfolio. What is the size, Asman? What is the size? Furtano, I am in Eastern time zone. Eastern time zone. I do not have Instagram. I should get one, but I don't. 5K is good, Osman. Am I pronouncing that right? Osman or Osman? I don't like pronouncing names wrong. I hate that. I try not to. With 5,000, I would sell a put on Rivian and a put on Palantir and a put on Affirm. There you go. Actually, you can't do all 3. Not quite. Affirm and 2 Rivian. Or Affirm Rivian Lift. That'll get you $100 a week. See you, James. Yep, I'll see you 10:30 in the AM in the Discord for the live call, fam. Awesome, Gal Trader. I appreciate it. I'm glad I'm able to help. I don't stress out, Hounds. That's how I regulate my stress. I don't stress out. If I'm losing a trade, I look at it and I'm like, Fuck. All right, I'm out. I get out. If I lose 1,000, I'm just going to wait like a praying mantis for this. I lose money and then I look around the market all day. I'll see this. I get in. Not a bad way to make $5,000 in 15 minutes, right? And if I got a good trade going up, 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 I watch it come back down. Watch it go back up. I'm out. I'm not going to get greedy. I'm out. I'm not going to take a chance. Sometimes I'll see it going up like this. It'll jump. Come back down. Out. No greed. I'm out. No emotions. I'm out. I'm just out because I am because I am. Like, no fear, no greed, no sadness, no happiness, no cheering either. When I succeed on a trade, it's going up. I'm like, time to get out. I'm out. Made 50%. Good. Move on to the next trade. It's just 50%. It means nothing. If I lose on a trade, oh shit, I'm losing. If it goes below 1450, I'm out. 1430, I'm out. I lost 15%. Fuck it. On to the next trade. Like a robot. There's no greed. There's no emotion. There's no fear. There's no happiness. No sadness. No joy. Nothing. I lost. I move on. I win. I move on. I'm going to hedge my position. I profited today. Good. We do it again tomorrow. Don't even worry about it. That's it. I'm not even going to worry about it. Because if I lose 1,000 today, you can bet your ass I'm going to make 3,000 tomorrow. If I lose 3,000 tomorrow, now I'm in the hole 4. You bet your ass I'm making 10. By the end of the week, sure as shit, make the money back. I'm up $5,000 on the week. I'm going to make my money no matter what. The strategies that I teach in my training course are 80 to 90% win ratio. 100%, fam. My strategies that I'm going to teach you, they win. You sell a put on Rivian. Juicy premium. If it goes down, roll out and down. Roll out and down. Roll out and down until the stock goes back up. All that juicy premium is yours. Then, if it goes down, you want to get the stock, get in. Sell, you get in, sell calls. Like, look, sell a put, stock goes down, you get in. Sell a call, stock goes up, you exit. All profit every single time. Profit every time. I don't stress out. That's for day traders. I do teach day trading. But for futures and day trading, it can be stressful, but I learn to focus and manage. Let me give you one last lesson. Hades, you and that Rivian, I'm not going to get it. You keep doing this and I'm not going to get in time. That's what's going to happen. Yes, Rivian's at a floor right now. This is what I recommend. We've all been there. You can say, yes, it's happened to you, or no, it hasn't. I'm about to give you a scenario before we let off for the night. Check this, fam. Let's see if I'm right about this and if it's happened to you. Okay. You get into a trade. You get into a trade, and let's give you Nike as an example. Poor Nike. Gonna get the brunt of every joke for the next 6 months. Look at this shit. So we got to work with right here. Dough. Anyway, let's just be real. Look at Nike. So you get into a trade, right? Get in. It's going down. Ooh, it'll be okay. It'll be okay. It's gonna recover. It's gonna recover. Oh my God, please, God, please don't let it. Oh no, come on. Oh my God. All right, I get out. Shit. 80% loss. I didn't do my stop loss like I should have. 80% loss instead of 25. Damn it. So you go into another trade, right? Here's the opposite. You get in. Ooh, look at this. I'm making profits. Uh-oh, it's coming down. Oh my God. Wait. I might lose money. I can't do this. I get out. Now you get out. And you missed out on all of this. You see? What did you learn here? Fear has caused you to lose out on a winning trade. Greed has killed your losing trade. Holding your losers too long and cutting your winners early. That is emotion. No place in the stock market. Good job, Alan. Yes. Any stock going left to right like this? Absolutely. Iron condors? Yes. Hef, yes. Market makers can see your stops. Good point. Before we go, let me point that out. So here's what happens. You buy a call right here. You put your stop loss here. Goes up, people sell, hits the stop loss. Some more sales. Hedge fund sale. Some more sales. More stop losses. More selling. And it feeds it down all the way to here. What do you guys think's happening down here tomorrow? Hedge funds are going to buy it all up again. So guess what happens? That happens. This is market manipulation. They buy, it comes up, they sell. It hits all the stop losses, it all sells, consolidates, hedge funds buy again, goes up here, then guess what happens? It sells off again. Hedge funds do not lose money. Honestly, I'm old school. I'm 75 years old, so like I'm really old school. So I write everything down on paper. You know, I just do everything on paper. That's the way I recommend it. You know, when you get up there in your 70s like me, you put things on paper. I should be using apps, stuff like that, you know? But I don't. I put it all in my trusty notebook right here. Everything, manually. It works. It works. And by the way, I was joking about my age, though. Hopefully y'all didn't believe that. Do I look 75? I mean, God. I hope not. I hope I don't look 75. No, I was kidding, though. No, I'm not 70. Dude, like, can you imagine if I was really 70? Like, shit. No, I mean, if I could look this good at 70, we're doing some good stuff, you know? Can you imagine if I was like 70 years old? That'd be crazy. 75. Look at this. For 75, I'd be walking around picking up 35-year-old chicks, 40-year-old chicks, and be like, hey, baby, I'm 75. Got lots of money, lots of experience, but look young, you know? But nah. Nope. I'm 40. But I appreciate anyone who guessed me under 40. No, I eat healthy and I feel great. I feel like I'm 20, honestly. And you know, my diet is extremely healthy. I don't eat sugar. I don't eat wheat. I don't eat oatmeal. No grains. Lots of healthy fats, fruits, and vegetables. Fish. A lot of healthy stuff. Got to be very, very healthy nowadays, you know? Yeah, most people guess me between 35 and 40. Yep. Sometimes I go to the gym, but I have like an athletic build. I'm 6 foot, 165, 170. So I'm a little bit athletic, running, you know. I do MMA, jiu-jitsu, karate, taekwondo, and I was a high school wrestler. So I do a lot of MMA stuff. Grains aren't good for you. They actually leach nutrients out of your body. They're terrible. Oatmeal, wheat, quinoa, all terrible for you. Very, very bad for you. They leach nutrients. They're not good. A good account size to start is 5 to 10 grand. It's really good. No, hounds. Your body starts burning fat after you blow off all the carbs. I eat a lot of nut butter, almond butter, pistachio milk, grain-free breads, sorghum, millet, almond flour, a lot of eggs, like 6 eggs a day, a lot of butter, a lot of ghee, fish, a lot of fruit. I get my sugar from honey and a lot of fish, or not fish, honey and fruit. A lot of fruit and honey. You know, Hades, the day life, I'm going to have to start a YouTube channel on the day life. The day life of an investor trader. I don't know. I've thought about it. I know, Sabine, that was a joke. Yep. Oh, yeah, Hef. Yep. Carbs aren't good for you. Bread's terrible. 100%. Mr. Cruz, what's up? Yes, Dizzy. I love Indian and Mediterranean. Lots of fat, lots of healthy stuff. I love fat on everything. Olive oil, butter, nut butters, coconut oil, ghee, fish, 80% hamburger when I get it. Grass-fed, of course. High fat. I don't get low-fat hamburger. It's terrible. Fat is very healthy for you. Low-fat diet's bad for most people. Not for everyone, but for most people. Good stuff, Eugene. Can't wait to have you, my friend. Some leafy greens aren't good. Spinach is good if you boil it or raw. Just make sure to have calcium with it so you don't get kidney stones. Some people get kidney stones from high oxalates, which come from oxalic acid, which is high in spinach. But only about 30% of people are at risk for it. Oh, yeah. Japanese diet's healthy. Steak for breakfast is amazing as long as it's finished and grass-fed. Thanks, Hades. I appreciate the compliment. I'll be going to bed in about an hour. 1 a.m. Wake up at 7 or 8 a.m. Maybe 8 a.m. 7 hours sleep is good for me. Green tea. Green tea and honey. Black tea. I also do ginger and turmeric teas as well. Oh, yeah. Worst nightmare for sure. Worst nightmare for sure. I would never. Oh, my God. Calcium, if you eat that with spinach, it's better. It blocks oxalic acid. Also, grapefruit juice, lemon water. Fresh squeezed lemon in water. Oranges, grapefruits, tangerines, limes, anything acidic, vinegar, they all reduce kidney stones and make them easy to pass. Absolutely on the green tea, Mr. Cruz. I'm a big health buff. I know health just about as much as I know stocks. Like, I have a bag of snacks in my office right now that I snack on. Coconut stuff, dark chocolate's amazing. Like, yeah. Roth IRA, maybe like start with 10 grand, 20 grand and do Tesla. I would do Tesla in a Roth IRA. I would do that. I buy 100 shares and sell and just let it grow. Sell covered calls on it. Out of the money covered calls. Try to keep your shares. Collect premium. I do Tesla. Tesla's really good. Palantir is really good. Rivian's pretty decent now. No problem, Jose. Look for Emmys. EMMYS. I'll show you actually before I end the stream. GameStop's going to go up then back down probably. Invesco semiconductors. Yeah, they're pretty good. They're pretty good. Look, let me show you what makes good snacks for trading. This right here. Let me pull up the big camera so you guys can see. This is what you guys should be snacking on. This stuff is really good. There's no wheat, no grain, no white sugar, nothing. So they got vanilla or chocolate. Grain-free Siete cookies. These are good too. They even got the chocolate chip ones. Coconut fat, very healthy. Pistachios, nuts are very, very healthy. Walnuts, always walnuts. Walnuts are good for your heart. Macadamia nuts are very good for you too. Same with pecans. Oh, and another thing. on an empty stomach every morning, get local honey. Honey that is local to your area, because this will prevent you from having allergies in the spring. It's made with local honey. A teaspoon of honey on an empty stomach in the morning clears your throat and mucus. Very, very healthy. It'll spike blood sugar a little bit, but not much. Nothing like sugar. Another thing, dates. Organic dates. The fruit, dried, very healthy. Date sugar is very healthy. Doesn't spike your insulin very much at all. That just give you an idea of how my snacks are, how healthy they are. That's how my mind, you got to keep your mind clear if you're going to invest. Yes, CMOS, good. Thank you, Hef. Appreciate it. Yeah, so that's the healthy diet, fam. You know? There's a lot of really good stuff. She Jersey, welcome. You're late, but Neo is a buy. Long-term patient buy. Alex, I teach that in my one-on-one coaching. I teach strategies, how to take advantage of opening market fluctuations. Absolutely, Florida kid. Hell yeah, Jan. We're having a big party in here. Yes, most food in the store is poisonous. To a degree, yes. Anytime you see something, look at the back of all your desserts. Have you ever seen something called polysorbate 60, polysorbate 40, polysorbate 80? You know what that is? The word poly means man-made. Polysorbate is basically a clinical and scientific name for styrofoam and sponge. Plastic fucking sponge. You know the Entman's cakes and the Little Debbie's cakes? Polysorbate's in them. You're eating sponge, fam. Fake plastic sponge. Mr. Cruz, have you joined my Discord and my one-on-one coaching? Absolutely. I'm your one-on-one coach. That's what I do. I'm going to help you turn your life around. That's my job. Yeah, autocorrect sucks. Very welcome, Alex. Yawn, these are my snacks for when I'm like working in the Discord, giving the live calls. Yawn's in my Discord too. But yeah, that's what I do. I snack, but I do cook. When I cook, it's salmon, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, spinach, arugula, bok choy, collard greens, lots and lots and lots of greens. Anything green's good. Did you know that the green that makes it green, which is the chlorophyll, is only one strand genetically different than your blood's plasma? But the more green food you eat, the more cleansing of your blood. Yeah, Jay Martinez. Yep, red 40's bad. Blue is bad for you. All dye's bad. Hades, I used to smoke weed a little bit back in the day, but never cigarettes. Listen, fam, this is the honest to God truth. I've never smoked a cigarette a day in my life. I took one puff, gagged, and said no. Never my whole life. 40 years. No smoking, no drinking, no drugs, nothing. I was straight edge in high school and college. It's all about detoxifying the body and letting the mind be smart. For wealth, you know? My friends all partied. I don't even consider myself wealthy. $2 million is not wealthy. At all. It's like, I don't know, slightly above average, I guess, but I think I'm doing okay. I'm no Donald Trump, but I think I'm doing okay. The better footballer, 40. Most people say I don't look 40. Like, I get carded when I buy anything required over 18. You know, like fireworks, for example. I got carded for fireworks this week. I was like, you know, I love you, cashier. Bob, if that's your real name. I love you, Bob, because you carded me. But at the same time, Fuck off, Bob. I have 2 kids in the car, and I'm trying to buy fireworks. It's like a love-hate kind of thing, you know? Yeah, Mr. Cruz, for sure. 100%. But I just don't do drugs, smoke, nothing. I eat clean. I exercise lightly. Do some jiu-jitsu, some MMA, kickboxing, and enjoy life, you know? No, Hades, I'm an avid video gamer. Behind me is $30,000 worth of games and a game collection. From Atari to Super Nintendo, everything. I play Call of Duty. I'm actually a top 500 player in Fortnite, but I don't like saying that on the finance channel because people think it's immature to play video games. Like, there's going to be some older people in this crowd that might be 50, 60, 70 years old, and they're going to be like, well, I don't trust Corey anymore. He plays video games. So I apologize. No, it's a real background, 100%. I appreciate that, Osman. Yep, I keep it real. Liquor is disgusting. It's so gross. I used to drink beer once in a while, but nah. I'd rather drink almond butter, or almond butter, oh my God. Almond milk, or water, or green tea, you know? Oh my God, it burns. I hate it, man. Now, I got nothing against anyone who drinks. There's nothing wrong with having a good time, but it's just not good for your liver, you know? Hades, Valorant is amazing. I love Valorant. What's that guy's name in Valorant? The guy who puts up the wall of fire and you can walk through it and he throws the fireballs in the middle of his hand. He's like, and like there's a fireball. I love him. He's awesome. I just forget his name. I'm brain farting. Yeah, you accidentally, right? Heck yeah, heck yeah, congratulations. Robinhood and Weeble. Best platforms. Phoenix. Yes, Phoenix. It's Phoenix. That's my man. I love Phoenix. I always play as Phoenix. I'm a die-hard Overwatch fanatic. I love Overwatch and Apex Legends. I'm Bangalore all day. But I also love Octane. Hit the stim. Bro, I got like a 5 KD in Call of Duty and like a 4 KD in Apex. Like, I do some shredding. But let's not... I don't want you guys to think I'm some like streamer kid and don't know anything about stocks. So I don't talk about games on this channel. Oh yeah, for sure. They did hounds back in the day, but they're good now. Ginger tea with honey? Absolutely. Awesome, Ben. Good to hear. I was in fear that if I brought up video games, there'd be some people 50, 60, 70 that would think I was immature and say, you know what? I'm not following this guy anymore because he's immature. But I'm not going to lie. I love video games. They're amazing. Never played Rocket League, but I know what it is and I've seen it. Just never had the chance. I resemble Octane. Oh my God. You know... Another thing, too, is that I'm a Call of Duty fanatic. I love Warzone. But I also love Elden Ring, Dark Souls, Overwatch. Man, I love Overwatch. That is my jam. Diablo, Grand Theft Auto, I absolutely love. Minecraft is my all-time favorite game besides Final Fantasy. I love me some Minecraft, too. He says Warzone's ass. Oh my God. You know, a lot of people hate the fact that I play Warzone because I do some shit and I pop squat hard on people. I used to stream video games. I stopped doing that when I launched this channel, but I do a lot of games. I used to do a lot of game streaming. I made a lot of people mad because when I play Call of Duty, I pop squat, man, like real hard. Like my aim is insane. Like, well, I have a 4 to 5 KD in Call of Duty. Like, I've got hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of Warzone wins. Rainbow Siege, oh my God, yes. My favorite character in Siege would be Sledge, because he knocks the wall down. Amazing. Pulse is good. I like Capitano because he's got the flamethrower on his crossbow. And I like that girl who's like, shh, and she runs around and kills everyone in silence. It's really, really good. This is the Shure SM7B, the same one that Howard Stern has. Hell no. Better be footballer. I'm cracked at some games. Apex, Overwatch, Fortnite. I'm a top 500 player last year. No longer top 500. I kind of fell off a little bit. I do travel sometimes. Yep. Oh, Florida Kid. Minecraft is for the soul, and I have 8K realistic textures too. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, Adam. Heck yeah. Heck yeah, man. I know, right? I did talk stocks for hours. Emerson, you could definitely join with even $1,000 because you see, my goal of bringing you in the Discord and coaching you is not to make you $1 million overnight. It's the exact opposite. It's for you to not take trades until I build up your confidence and teach you everything I know. The goal is to turn you into a better trader so you can start making lots of juicy premium and a lot of profits. Absolutely, Jose. You can watch this video at any time. Shadow of the Colossus PS2. Oh my God. That is crazy. Fam, I'm going to do it. Hold on. Give me a minute. This is some of the stuff behind me. Donkey Kong Country Part 2 for Super Nintendo. Fam, I've got like $30,000 of the classic games behind me. Every system. Coleco, Atari, Intellivision, PS1. Every serial number code from PS1, PS2, PS2 Slim, all the versions of PS3, all the versions of PS4, PS5, all the Xboxes, all of them. There's not one console on this planet that I don't have one copy of. Sega Saturn, Sega 32X, Sega Genesis, Sega Master System. I have 10 Sega Dreamcasts. I probably have more than that, but I stopped counting, honestly. I know, right? It's going to be a 30-minute call. Shit. I gone fucked up. Just like Key and Peele says, you fucked up, Aaron. It's Aaron. What? And he freaks out. Denise? You remember? You guys remember that? He called her Denise. He called Aaron Aaron. Like, that was so funny. That was Key and Peele. They're hilarious. I know Kirby's Air Ride. I don't have it. But I do have Conker's Bad Fur Day. Perfect Dark. GoldenEye 007, Mario 64, Mario Kart 64, all of those games. Battlefield's amazing, Battlefield 2042, but I like Battlefield 4 the best. Or Bad Company. Yeah, Fatawong, definitely. Saturn was amazing. Sega Saturn. Do you remember that? Did I do that right, Feta? I have 10 Wii consoles. I even have the limited red edition of Mario. I have all the Titanfalls. Yep. 10 Dreamcasts at this point. Super Metroid and Metroid. Contra, Super Contra, all the Contras. Yep. 007 was amazing. Dun 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 dun. And it would switch and you'd shoot a guy in the hand and he'd be like, ah, oh, oh. And you just shake his hand like that. Like, what is he doing? The hell is this? Mike Tyson's original Punch-Out and the one they removed him from. I have both. Virtual Fighter, absolutely. Soul Calibur, I got Zelda A Link to the Past, but you know what? My favorite Zelda game of all time, not Majora's Mask, Ocarina of Time. The best Zelda game ever made. All the Dooms. Duke Nukem. Remember Duke Nukem? You go to a strip club and you're like, wanna dance? Hey, baby. Shake it, baby. You wanna dance? I'm gonna rip off your head and shit down your throat. Or piss down your throat. That was so funny. Duke Nukem was the shit. Awesome. Ocarina of Time is so legendary. Jet Set Willie on the ZX. I don't think I have that. That may be something I don't have, actually. I got Super Punch Out for Super Nintendo. Oh my God, Galaga. I have it. I also have Galaxia, too. All the Destinies. I have all the Destinies. All of them. I do indeed. Let me show you a couple of things right quick before we end it. Here's my Dreamcast. One of my 10 Dreamcasts. I also have the Japanese Super Nintendo. This is called Famicom. Family Entertainment Computer. This is the Super Nintendo of Japan. This is Super Famicom. So I have the rare consoles too. Is anybody in this stream familiar with Mortal Kombat? Yup. Battletoads, amazing. Okay, do you guys know Kano in Mortal Kombat? I'm friends with Richard DeVizio. And Ed Boon, if you look up any Mortal Kombat game, look up the name Carlos Pesina. He's the guy who engineered Mortal Kombat 10 and 11, and he's been in since the beginning. I'm friends with them. I have their phone numbers, legitimate. Like, I'm like daily talking friends with the original Kano, the original Raiden, and the creators of Mortal Kombat. Super Smash is amazing. Yeah, I'm friends with the Mortal Kombat crew. Very good crew of people. Very hard work, very good games. Honestly, Dead Island 2. The new Dead Island 2 that came out last year. Dying Light. Amazing games. Almost like the show Black Summer. That was an amazing show. Absolutely, 2025 indeed. Ha, Carlos Mencia. Look, fam, I could chat here all day, and I really wish I could. But anybody who's not in the Discord, I'll see you next Sunday. If you haven't joined my one-on-one coaching yet, guys could do so at any time. Investwithcorey.com. And like I said, I want to help you guys become profitable. I'm down to earth. I'm realistic goals. And I have a lot of people that have come in this chat and told you how they feel about me. So, you know, we'll keep doing Sundays. I'll keep chatting with you. Maybe I'll get the honor of teaching you one-on-one at some point or another. And if not, we're going to enjoy these Sundays. You know? It depends. If I'm editing video or photos, Apple. If I'm playing video games or working in stock market, Windows. I like Diablo. Amazing. MK11 is amazing. And better than 1. Absolutely. Hell yeah, Florida Kid. Listen, I got another channel for game streaming. Maybe I'll pop and drop that once in a while in here, and we'll do some game streaming. Absolutely. Best game, Diablo 2. Diablo 3 Reaper of Souls edition was amazing. All right, fam. Good luck in the stock market. Look out for my new video dropping tomorrow on YouTube. If you guys haven't booked a call, went to my website, set up for a shot, and my one-on-one coaching, I'll see you over there whenever you decide to do it. And if you don't, you're still my fam. We're going to see you on YouTube next Sunday on the live stream. Wish you guys luck for this week. Nothing but love for you guys. Had a lot of fun hanging out with you. You guys are the best. Hope you all make a lot of money this week. Let's get it, fam. We got it. Peace out. We'll see you on the next one. Let's go. Let's grow our wealth together.